Now come about me, Rosealee. When you can address pretty, then always remember say you can't address me because your girl now come from nowhere. Nowhere. Remember me stand up and witness boy jump on you. Remember them push all stick in your hole. Remember? I can't entertain you threatening me for nothing. Where you say you are gonna do. Remember I pay you pay. Remember you call Franklin Town how much time about me? Remember Rosealee? Remember you big and light your ear balloon. But it hurt you or me show up your data. Me say the level of hypocrisy that is on the internet is astounding. Because the last time when you rush out for me for your AIDS bug, the last time you rush out for me for your daughter we have the same sickness like where you have a truth, you know. Them rush out for me for your big daughter. Your daughter over head bigger than a soccer ball. Your daughter head favor one basketball. I want medicine ball. Me not ask you. I pay big head picnic you produce. Pure big head picnic you drop out of your big hole. Drop out of your Dungeons and Dragons. I pay big head picnic you have Rosealee. Nobody no want talk. Cause Baba head shape like one young East Indian mango. Me not ask nobody anything at all when me say that me. Remember my good pan phonics. Baba head favor one young East Indian mango. Me not ask you. I pay a big head picnic. I remember GX head big, your head big, so them couldn't escape the bigness. When a head big like on a hole. Me not ask you no. Sometimes you have to look at your kids and say what a lovely big head. My son have a lovely big head. Sometimes you can't talk the truth. Not ask you. Everybody in the Rosealee family slow. That's why Chantal speed up her crutches. Yeah. That's why the little girl speed up her crutches because she realized that everything in her family is slow. Yeah, come me done talk. Me done talk. So them say Baba head full of brain. Baba come first in the fastest loser. And that one no know. Baba come first in the fastest loser. And that one no know. Then only can make them attack. Sometimes they have to give the retard them award because everybody need love. Me not ask you know. So we not talk about Baba bright and Baba smart and Baba this and Baba. Baba come first in the fastest loser. You never hear say Baba in a grade in the first brightest yet and him a mash up this. Why when a school close him get award? Why when school close him get award? Make a reason out all of that. When I never used to go to school at the fastest loser. It's the fastest loser. No, don't come like when I idiot. When I real idiot here.
Award. Prize giving. Prize giving before school closed.
And when school closed, them award him. So I don't know like them people that never go school yet from them band. Them could have never tricked me on the app. The most improved out of the garbage pan. So come now, where is so now go like investment I make. Remember a teacher called Rosealee had the most. Teacher called Rosealee had the most. Remember teacher not care about them. Remember when time Chantal used to go and teacher for back off or wear mask for talk to your picking them because you're picking them ever droopy and moldy. Remember Chantal the first one we carry your name to the principal. Remember Chantal carried the house business to the principal because she not eat breakfast at morning time and I close them now, washing them and forget themselves together. Remember your kids them go to school in front of teacher with matter in them eye. Remember one toothbrush you say in the house of Chantal and Barbara and Rosealee. Come now make a reason because nobody no want to talk about the toothbrush and the living condition. Remember Rosealee and her kids them used to use one toothbrush like them and figure it out. Because you not go like no no. No lady them a go like them no member. Me no come in an argument with Rosealee and beat up my chest. A Rosealee job that. A Rosealee job that she have to beat her chest and remind herself that she diabetic. Yeah. A one toothbrush used to share for the entire family. One dege toothbrush. So we not go like Rosealee a class a girl. Rosealee no nobody and she will never be anybody in my side. Never. Ever until she find Jesus. So make all the way you say make sense. Can remember say, what do you Rosalie? What do you filter stop make Rosalie tongue white? Tell Rosalie for sure your true tongue. Rosalie tongue white like from in her throat right up to the tip of her tongue. Me not ask you.
Some of them dirty people condone too much nastiness, you know. Them piss me mad.
No, you never know. As for them still. Enough of them girl upon this where I pick up for Rosalie and I pick them. As of them go for them picnic, as of them mother go
nasty,
them.
man.
Remember them and them mother share man. Remember them and them mother share man. And we can proudly say Shanta and her mother share man because Jake's brother will do Rosalie but Shanta. So go on Rosalie, your daughter mate. Literally not metaphorically. You are your daughter and mate. Me not ask you no. Do you think you could have hurt me after when me talk and I lie? Remember, so I never go wrong yet, you know. Remember, so you leave mouth water upon Jake's brother cocky and Jake's brother leave fingerprint in your daughter hole. Come now. Where reason the argument they just drop, flap, bop. You know, hear nothing more about it when you bring it to the forefront. So, oh, you not follow it up. And it's your daughter. You're your daughter and mate. And you said one come and say, look like say true Jake's now can't Chantel and now say Chantel him no want invest in a Shanta. Eh? Him no want invest. And you say son never me. The only thing me say is that Shanta behave like she has sucked Jake's order. And it's true because you come back and said the only reason why Jake's now mind Shanta through him can't get for grinder. Come now Rosalie. Remember your kids, them a community tester. What did I say wrong? Can I see?
Bad.
What did I say wrong? All after 10 your daughter play a game at whose yard at 11-year-old. How will the mama blow? Oh no, so not teaching the daughter over
Rosalie, you really want to spit in your face, you know? God no. You really want to spit in your face. And I want me have strep throat when me spit in your face.
True, me know so me have some backup sinus.
Sure.
Cause when I put it on Rosalie and Shanta, you know. Rosalie, you really don't know that bitch, you know? You really don't know this bitch. Yeah. That's why I'm in a pardon, you know. Yeah. Remember I paid though. Remember Rosalie walk and buy cocky mine man. Because you're diabetic and you're all wrong. Rosalie can't say me have all of the alphabet in my blood. Tell her to check Akeem on. I'm willing to go do a blood test with Akeem. Ask Akeem if I'm ready because she appear for HIV in a vein. So ask Akeem if I'm ready. Remember Rosalie come and talk say me have AIDS and didn't turn on and say she never meet me yet in her life. Then oh she diagnosed me. I must say Akeem she attack. She was slim alike. She was slim alike. Tell her say to talk about Akeem's blood. She know every Batman in the world, you know. And not today Batman a let off in a Rosalie, you know. Rosalie know every Batman in the world. You think that today she meet Akeem? Come on. Rosalie know Rosalie a Batman. Rosalie know every Batman in the book. Remember Tiki let off soldier and she out of back market.
Imagine that.
Remember Rosalie have a little cadet for Tiki, you know? A little cadet. Rosalie a Batman. Una alone sit down and listen to Rosalie. Una remember Rosalie? Una remember June, Dirty Foot June? When you remember Dirty Foot June, someone just come on board, so keep quiet and listen to girl history.
Mystery.
A mystery. Yeah. But willing to go do a blood test when me and Akeem walking at the clinic. Me willing for all Akeem and make we get our blood work up. Tell her to do that. Yeah. And we're gonna know who have the real alphabet, who can say from A to Z. So make it make sense. Yeah, make it make sense. But willing for what going to the clinic with Akeem. Yeah, Snowman, I'm willing for what going to the clinic with him. And all and now ask you. No, I'm willing anytime at all. Me not owe the internet no form of obligation, but once Akeem say me ready for go get him blood test, me ready to him. Come. Yeah. Remember say Akeem immune system weak like Rosealee own? Yeah, remember him immune system weak. If the time set up for rain and fall, him start sneeze. Yeah, him nose all around and him eye get the water. So make what she say make sense. When she talk about blood work, talk about Akeem blood first. Yeah. When she talk about blood work, make sure talk about Akeem blood first before she come to me. Me and him willing any day, private or public doctor, but we don't want to do public, I want people to see us together. Yeah. Whether private or public, make sure make me and Akeem walk go into the office and see who for blood I be in gym. Who for blood come with muscles. Yeah. Remember Rosealee tell us saying my skin sore, you know, and my skin this and my skin that. Remember Akeem bleach out the whole of him sore them, you know. Remember the whole of Akeem evidence and the bleaching cream. Come now. Remember film evidence them and the bleaching cream. Now remember go back in the history. Oh. Don't make me go back in the history and Chantal come just like the granny, cause to how she a go with cocky. Chantal no look like say she go reach all 30 LT or 25 LT. Let me tell you that. Something go fling down she. So make the whole of a reason. Huh? Are you the only girl me see walk and buy HIV, Rosealee? You're the only girl me sit down and walk and buy that. Until your face one wash and my face alone, all my old, me just done jog. Underneath me slippery. And then my face one wash alone, my old too. But I couldn't make the live here pass. As me done jog, somebody did have to address Rosealee. Because remember me I work for my health. Can Akeem jog? Akeem can't jog because the age that make him paro. My all one wash as me done jog, so I have to sit down here, so I want. Of course, me don't come here. I couldn't make a Shanta the beer pass me and Rosealee, you mad? I couldn't make that pass me and Shanta take more cocky than me. Shanta take more cocky than Rosealee because nobody no want Rosealee. Shanta make a well the sunshine because you don't know if you gotta have your mother back them. Collect as much body you can while you're young. Because when you start put on Rosealee weight, you know, nobody not go want you. So collect as much cocky as you can, baby girl. You start early. One thing with you, you're smarter than your mother. You little baby cocky cashier. Shanta is a cocky cashier. Yeah, she know for balance body good, both in her brain and all. What you say? Go take your uncle fingerprint from out of the little girl. Eh? Oh, you rub out that history, you know, because some marks stain, you know. Some mark very stain, and that we are talking about. We're not talking about nothing else. Yeah, and Lammy, remember say Lammy I take wood. We only hear 40, but Lammy go dollar take wood from Lammy. I did Lammy take the wood from 14. Those are the family, them a cocky cashier, a cocky termite, cocky vampire. Yeah, me not tell you son a man back pocket, man not stop sit down pan uno. So you really I say, I that me come to tell you this morning, though me not come to tell you much. Just that. I me not come to sit down and lament for you, because nothing not going for you know. So you draw for straw. Yeah? Me not come to lament for you. You understand me? I just come to tell you I make it hurt your minions then. I don't know, I like play with people nerves. But anytime you want the blood work for though, always remember say me and your man Akeem, where you claim to say I am man and me and him are going to do the blood work. Because we need the evidence. Yeah? Oh, yeah, my face never look good yet. Me never pretty. Me never born pretty. Me never come under filter and makeup. You ask me how my face looks, so I still me. From you can recognize me and me. Aye. From you can recognize me and me. Remember say me no walk with beauty. And me no cutie. Yeah, me no walk with beauty. 1 minute you don't see me, so the next minute you say Shebby look good here. Remember me name confusion. A Walmart she work.
Well, if them live over here, man, let them just come over for have lunch and go back.
And go back over. Them work near though. Them could have walk. Yeah. Awa. Rosealee ain't a legend. Rosealee has never been legendary.
Yeah, for see me. Good morning, boo.
She has never been legendary. So when I talk, sir.
Come join the cussing.
We need to be eat breakfast yet. And lucky thing, me not diabetic, thank you Jesus. Cause boy, me da feel diesel. Rosealee about that I introduced to man. Remember son of stay. Remember son of stay. Look up under Mary, you see mudfish. Look up under Mary, and if you can't check under Mary, check in Brother Junior bottom. You say mudfish, you ask me for mudfish.
So man have some plague, you know?
Wow.
Some plague, man.
No man didn't like when my boss it up, I say go. I kill them, the Rosealee can't talk as she's sick. But Rosealee, I forgot to take off on her foot soon. Soon and very soon. That bitch gonna be footless. Soon and very soon. Rosealee, so I have to take off on her foot. Remember diabetes and your mouth, Rosealee. You know, see her neck black. Put a chain on it and it turns so. You know, see Rosealee neck black. Rosealee diabetic bad. Then suppose she did born good. Yeah, and that a beat on a bad, but you know me not care. You not supposed to say me not care. Number one, me not sit down on the app and beg you know. Them say, who feed you control you?
What?
And the internet control you know. Yeah. Of course, Rosealee for sit down on insulin and she had dying for sit down on Akeem body. And the insulin you have to sit down on. Rosealee go take your shot.
Me see all the little chops are going, the chops so fake, yeah?
But Akeem can't kiss Rosealee because remember I bottom him kiss. Remember this so she take him from, you know. Me never see a boy who ask straight to so much batty and cocky call for a film name. Never see that yet.
No,
from I was a little girl. So when you come about the blood work, me willing to go do it because I want ease on my mind. So see if you can set up a date with me and Akeem at the clinic. I want me and Akeem go up on a date in a clinic, and that me want. Yeah. I want me and Akeem go up on a date because I can't say from A to Z. So I want to know if Akeem know the alphabet better than me. And that if I fix in a Rosealee, I them little something if I talk about. So when you run up your mouth and attack this and attack that, please girl, I want me and Akeem have a dinner date in our clinic. You know, see your man have to wear everything for cover his body. Your man have to wear everything. As the sun reach 4 o'clock, your man call. Your man call all in a sonnet. All in a sonnet your man call. Work it out now. Work out all of that before we work out anything else. When do you have him pill them mail to him? I'm pill him have mail to him or what? I just want to know. As me say, as it reach 4 o'clock, Akeem call. Akeem are the only one me say wear bubble jacket in a summer. I pay big clothes him wear and cover up.
All them shoes big.
Everything big. So I want to know if your man have him pill them mail to him. So when you talk about thick blood, talk about your granny and your man Akeem. Talk about your granny and your man Akeem. When you talk about thick blood. Oh, Cause phone blood runs slow in a vein, you know. Phone blood runs slow. There is no free flow. So we could talk about that. Is Akeem Cooley, him cream him ear? So how him ear them so straight? Cause we are talk about them something there too. Cause Rosealee, you said, yeah, look on Shebada ear, it's pretty. Yeah, so when you have ears, the ear. My mother Cooley and my father Indian. But couldn't escape the cowboy route. Yeah. So come, all when I want you if Akeem process him ear. At that me want to know, make the whole of we take a good look at Akeem ear, them lay down on him skull. All of we are wonder, but no mixed breed no come with them their foot there.
And if your names.
Yeah, so come at the whole of we talk, away my shatter. So it's okay for him have AIDS and be Indian. It's okay for him have AIDS and you see it as Indiana Jones. Okay. You know, ask you, Rosealee, you know, shoot no shot yet. I don't talk about your child and the argument done. You have some big head breed. You pick them head favor waff dog. Not me say Baba head favor one young East Indian mango. Na ask no. Baba head favor one young East Indian mango. Na ask you. Na come about me Rosealee. When you can address pretty then always remember say you can't address me because your girl now come from nowhere. Nowhere. Remember me stand up and witness boy jump on you. Remember them push all stick in your hole. Remember from south come all over. I saw them go dry your daughter just like you and your granny. Yeah. My witness boy push stick in a year old. My witness you a girl not have no drawers. A pure dinner just like Emmy. Remember old people clothes, the dead people clothes they used to wear. Remember all in a sonnet in a spaghetti strap dress. Yeah. Then only never know so when time dancer keep the boy them jump on Rosealee Petra Pauline. Rosealee was one of the first logo. Rosealee was one of the first logo. Me na ask una no June. Una don't know June. Me tell una this every day. Una don't know June. Una just come, run up on the mouth and talk all sort of things. Are you them yeah?
I know. Cause them are going like them want me get out.
And una no June. Una talk about TikTok issue. We not talk about TikTok issue. Remember me first come and say no money can change June. Yeah. No money can change June. June used to dirty life. June used to sleep out the door. June used to everything. Remember say June and I pick them used to share one toothbrush. That's love. When Rosealee can talk to me is when a doctor cut her navel string and never a dog bite it. That's the only way she can talk to me. You never know. Rosealee can't sit down and class me. No way. Tell her to come with the evidence them. Yeah, I can't change. And I mean she want to argue with. Rosealee me done bust it up for your worrying daughter, your baby or Shanta. Shanta all big and full and more cocky than your own because no man no want you base on your shape. That's why the little girl I work from early to collect the cocky. Yeah, she want when man no want her, she have good body memory. She can sit down and say no so when time 11, 10 and 9. But now like me used to do road. Now me at 39. What do you want me? She Rosealee, which one of your family them can wheel and come again? Which one of your family them can wheel and come again? I that I want to know. You know life used to take some girl when them young and when them reaching them middle, it stop. And when them get older, it start back again, start take them. Which one of them can wheel and come again? No. We don't have good jeans, no upholstery. Phone denim in no crutches, no good. Phone denim in no crutches is of no good, my baby. Yeah. Shanta hurry up with body, cause she see wait the mommy. Shanta hurry up with cocky. Yeah. I'm not come for cuss you, but anyways, I might come back later for you here. Right, you know me I got jag go down now. Cause the jag inna get to me. Yeah. Me I got jag go down now. Yeah, my baby. So if you feel like you remember anything else about me, give it to Akeem, make him give me on the clinic dinner date. Yeah, remember me and Akeem have a dinner date in our clinic. Yeah, we wait a blood test. Our waiter a blood test. Remember me and your man where you pay for have a dinner date in our clinic. And don't ask about the waiter is blood test. So right in the mega jag. A summer jag in a people. You know what? I have to keep my shape. Rosealee, can you do that? Remember you soon shot her foot in a Rosealee. Remember you soon shot her foot because you're the only girl where I walk and I ease pressure off a one. Remember your walk this, you know? Yeah, you walk like my cousin Ernie. Remember your walk that. Remember you have to ease pressure off of one of your legs because you have a bad foot. Then look on the girl who have a bad foot to argue with me. Rosealee, you're incomplete. You're incomplete and you argue with me. Rock and come in. Rock and come in. Remember you can't stand up long. Remember you can't push. You cannot put pressure on the sore foot. You can't put pressure on the diabetes leg. Remember you have to stand up like skeng down. You have to ease off pressure. Yeah. Always remember that, Rosealee. So if you remember anything else that you would like to tell me, put it in writing. Yeah, boo? Yeah, put it in writing. And we not care when we go for girl. We go for girl and them generation. Because we not leave nobody to come take revenge. We not leave. Yeah. Oh, she have to put in a voice note. She can't spell. Hush. That's why she leave, you know. That's why Rosealee leave. Rosealee have a bad foot. Rosealee foot bad from her hip, if you can find it. From her hip to her ankle, it bad. Yeah.